We don't want to cook all time, isn't it? Asha Spices sharing the chickpea salad, which is easy to make and comes together fast. Perfect for lunch, breakfast, or as a snacks. Since chickpeas are protein packed and leaves you feeling satisfied. Let's start. Here I am using a 1 cup boiled chickpeas, which is overnight soaked, then pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. To this bowl I am using 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped cucumber in cubes, 1 carrot finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chili finely chopped, 1 tomato deseeded cut in cubes, 2 tablespoons finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon pomegranate seeds. Now adding half teaspoon of salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder and half teaspoon dry roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Now toss well. It has nice sweet and sour taste. Finally squeeze 1 lemon juice. Now I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoon pudina flavored save. You can use any kind of. Now toss again. It's also very versatile to based on what you have on hand. And chickpea salad is ready. They are rich source of vitamins, minerals and fibers and are high in protein. The taste is really awesome. Hope you like my recipe. Then like, comment, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon for upcoming updates. Thanks for watching.